On today's episode of Cade Brock Outdoors, we are traveling to North Carolina. We're going fishing on the Oconaluftee River in the Cherokee Indian Reservation. This episode is brought to you by Tungsten Super Slam Shotgun Shells, Lavender Mountain Game Calls for a close game, Tifosi Optics, our favorite polarized lens for on the water, Crooked Bend Food Plot Seed Company for all your food plot needs, and Armadillo Hat Company. We're not using nothing fancy on this trip, no power bait or fly rods, just night crawlers and an ugly stick. Here's the Oconaluftee bringing our friend Rusty his first ever rainbow trout. An hour or two after the sun hit the water, the bite started to slow down, so we decided to hit the road, try to change up our luck at some new spots. We pulled off a Big Cove road into another fishing hole, and that's when we really started to lay into the fish. Here's a perfect display on how to land a rainbow trout.